Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now it is rumored, guys, that Babalwa is pregnant. This video was taken by Kelven Momo, her boyfriend. I think she went to do her hair and he took a video of her. And someone was like, is she pregnant? I don't know. But it looks like it. But I feel like it's very rude to say to someone, are you pregnant? But you being a celebrity, believe me, there wanna be speculations and rumors. But sometimes it could be like a condition. Sometimes it could be that maybe she's gaining weight. Sometimes it could be that, maybe she's ill, guys. Maybe she's not feeling well and it's maybe causing her to gain weight. And people speculate that she's pregnant. Sometimes it could be that she's pregnant. We don't know. But we are not body shaming. But even if she is, I'm happy for her. And someone was like, she looks like the late Katlego Phiri. If you guys don't know, Katlego Phiri has passed away. You know, the nurse who was always talking about men. I love her. I love her. They said that she kind of looks like that. She kind of looks like her. And I kind of see it a little bit. I see it. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video.